Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung Galaxy A25 photos disappearing issue. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps, scroll down and from here open gallery and after that scroll down and click on storage. Now in storage, clear the app data and cache memory of gallery app. Now here click on delete to confirm and after that click on back key to go back to your home screen. Now from here open my files app and here click on this three dot more icon. Now go to its settings and here turn on this show hidden system files button.